Here are 3 tips to better integrate your personal and professional lives. Number 1, take care of yourself. Stress is killing you. Get out of the stress response by doing something you have to do 24/7. And if you're not doing it, you're in deep, deep doo-doo. That is, of course, breathing. Since you have to breathe anyway, why not make it productive? My friend Dana shared a terrific technique called 4-7-8. Works like this. Breathe in for 4, hold for 7, and release for 8. When you do this 5 times, you'll elevate your endorphins and you'll physically feel better. Number 2, share the love. Look for ways to get your employees' families involved. Whether it's a company picnic at an amusement park like my husband's company does, sending handwritten notes to the home thanking the family for the extra time their loved one had to put in on a large project like one of my client company does, or simply celebrating birthdays and other special occasions in the workplace, you'll show your employees that you understand that there's life outside the office. And 3, have fun. Set up opportunities for friendships to develop. The Gallup organization uses the statement, "I have a best friend at work," in their engagement questionnaire. Notice they did not say, "I like the people I work with," or "I have friends at work." The quote is, "I have a best friend." By encouraging playtime in addition to work time, you'll develop a more cohesive workforce and increase retention rates. Use these 3 steps and you'll not only create a more harmonious workplace, you'll feel better too.